right. You got plenty of room right there. It don't take that much room. Shows up so much better. Yeah, that sun makes such a difference.
Except right there.
I can still see it. But you are a mile and a half up.
I know. It don't take much power to keep it floating.
No, it does not. It scared me to death.
Why?
Because Jennifer walked up, I was meant to move and she was next to me. That's what I did a while ago when you said I came a lot higher, but I didn't. I cut all my speed out the other way.
Yeah, it doesn't take near as much power as you think to keep it there. You see a lot better now.
My sun makes a huge difference.
A little bit.
A lot better than knife edge.
A lot better. It actually takes less rudder than I'm using way too much rudder.
It doesn't take much. Look, it's waving at you. Hey, hey.
Give us a high-speed flyby, Jimmy.
Low. Down the runway.
Yeah, that fixed the coupling.
You can play with the rest of it out of it. Just get a little up a little bit.
5 minutes.
I thought she's fitting to go for it.
I was. I thought, no. It's so sensitive. I've got to learn to control it better. Notice though, throttle is awfully sensitive.
I don't recall it feeling too sensitive to me, but that's a lot of motor up there.
Yep.
Idle down.
I could have, but I wanted.
Idle down.
That ballooned up.
8 minutes.
Oh, that's very nice. Very nice. Look at that crow running.
Look at that crow, slow it down. Hi.